How to replace a 2019 Ford Ranger 3-button smart key remote battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Okay, so your remote isn't locking the doors properly. Might gotta get closer, might even have an issue starting it. Hey, this is the most common problem I see as a locksmith. So let's go ahead and change out the battery on our Ford 3-button remote here. Easy thing to do. Now, if your emergency key has the key ring on, just take that out, set it to the side. I like to use a flat tip screwdriver. That's just me. This is where your emergency blade goes in. You get this right here. Put your flat tip screwdriver in there and you put it in and just twist it. You notice how it pops up a little. Take your flat tip now in there and lift up on it. You hear it pop, you hear it pop. Be careful when you lift up because you have this indentation right here. As you can see, we have a 2450 battery. Here's another little trick. Take it, drop it, and the battery pops right out. These are new remotes we're using, so I'm just going to slide this battery back in. And when we slide it in, push down. If it doesn't latch, don't worry. The cover's going to hold it. Remember that little tab? It needs to go in first. Snap it together. Put your emergency blade back together. Then when you get done, hey, if you would, give me a like, comment down below if this video gave you a hand. Thanks again for watching. Let's be safe out there.